Hello, my name is Einer Jimenez Vega. I'm 35 years old and live in Huachica, Cesar. I was married and to two children. Starting my education today in world. President the set was Sexy of Colombia travel back list blog. I choose this law because and to show beautiful and interesting place in Santa Marta, especially Taganga and Roero. These places are very popular. I must find tourists visit the phone every year because and the for this I work water. I novel place used to visit a Roero. I see what the most famous beaches in Santa Marta. You can sit in this world and this world and you desert water. Also, you can take the picture all along the beach and spend time with your family or friends. I you found this place because they are friendly for vacation. I you visit Santa Marta, you can enjoy beautiful dispensing good food and relax every month. En conclusión, Taganga Rodadero soon defeat beyond your travel backlogs, like if you visit Colombia. They beautiful realize I'm full or calcium. Thank you for your goodbye.